Welcome to the comparison between Wix and Adobe Dreamweaver. Let's begin with features. Wix is a drag-and-drop website builder that offers over 500 templates, an app market, and SEO tools. Dreamweaver, on the other hand, is an advanced web design software that requires coding knowledge, offering flexibility in design and features like code hints, real-time browser preview, and multi-monitor support. While Wix is great for beginners, Dreamweaver caters to professionals who prefer manual control. Next, we look at pricing. Wix has a free version and premium plans ranging from $14 to $39 per month. It also offers specialized business plans. Adobe Dreamweaver is part of Adobe Creative Cloud, which costs $20.99 per month for a single app, or $52 for all apps. Annual plans are cheaper. Keep in mind, Dreamweaver requires other Adobe software for full functionality, potentially increasing costs. User experience is a key aspect of any software. Wix has a simple, intuitive user interface, making it easy for beginners to create beautiful websites. Dreamweaver's user interface is complex, designed for professional web developers who are comfortable with coding. It offers a more powerful, customizable experience, but has a steeper learning curve. In terms of integrations, Wix allows for a wide range of third-party apps through its app market. Dreamweaver, being part of Adobe Creative Cloud, integrates seamlessly with other Adobe products like Photoshop and Illustrator. It also supports integration with CMS like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. Performance-wise, Wix websites are known for their speed and reliability. Dreamweaver, as a standalone website builder, doesn't affect website performance directly, but allows developers to optimize code for better performance. It also enables testing site performance across various devices and browsers. Security is crucial for any digital platform. Wix provides SSL encryption, secure hosting, and regular security updates. Dreamweaver doesn't directly provide security features, but allows developers to implement security measures through coding. Therefore, Dreamweaver's security depends on the user's ability. When it comes to support, Wix offers extensive online resources, a help center, and 24/7 customer support. Dreamweaver has a comprehensive help guide, online tutorials, and community forums, but lacks direct customer support. Adobe's general support is available, but it covers all Adobe products. Scalability is another important factor. Wix is suitable for small to medium-sized businesses and personal sites, but may not offer enough customization for large businesses. Dreamweaver, with its advanced features and customization, is better suited for larger, more complex websites. So, who's the winner? It depends on the user. For beginners and small businesses, Wix is the winner due to its user-friendliness, affordable pricing, and good support. For professional web developers seeking advanced customization and control, Dreamweaver is the clear choice despite its higher pricing and complex interface. Thank you for watching this comparison between Wix and Adobe Dreamweaver. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more comparison videos like this one. See you in the next video.